Hey guys, just wanted to jump on real quick so you could check out my OXO Lazy Susan Turntable. I really liked it so far. It has a little bit of a lip to it, so when you turn it, nothing's gonna fall off, nothing can slide. I really like the OXO brand. I've had a lot of good luck with this, with other products as well. But again, I really like it for my vitamins. I had been using just a basket that I had tossed them in before, and it was a pain just to dig through. So this OXO turntable makes it really easy just to spin and be able to quickly find what I'm looking for in the morning.